In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix call failed on iOS 26. So I'm going to walk you through 4 troubleshooting techniques here which you can try. First one, you can always restart your phone. So press your home button and your power down button and then restart your phone as you normally turn it off and turn it on. Do that because sometimes a small restart can fix up the issue. Try that. Secondly, check your SIM card. So see if there's an issue with your SIM card. Maybe it's a loose connection or something. So what you can do, open up your SIM tray and try to take your SIM card out and then place it back in again. So this might sometimes cause if there is a loose connection or some feeding issue within your SIM card, that will be fixed. Step 3, what you can do, swipe from it down, so from top down, and then go to your notification panel here. And once you swipe down, and here tap on the airplane icon here. So tap on it, turn it on, and then wait for like 20 seconds and then tap it again to turn it off. This will sometimes like refresh your network settings and which might fix up the issue. Then step 4, what you can do, go to settings on your iPhone and then go to general, and then from general scroll all the way down, hit on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. And then what you're going to do is click on reset network settings. So tap on reset network settings and then reset your network settings, and this might also fix up your call issues and you can restart your phone after that. And that's basically pretty much it is.